So, you want to day trade penny stocks this year and make a lot of money? Well, this one strategy is right up your alley. Quick disclaimer, I put my free Discord link in the description. I'm hoping you can join, like right now or at the end of the video, because I want to build that community of Friday University and really get to see your feedback and interact with you on a day to day when it comes to day trading penny stocks. Also, quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Like, this is just my strategy. There's a lot of people on the internet trading stocks, and I'm just another guy that's having fun and doing what I can to make money in the stock market. So, take all of what I'm saying as my strategy and do your own due diligence on this particular strategy before you go putting your money into the market. Of course, I want the best for you as I do for myself, because from these videos I gain the second perspective on the stock, not like as the trader, but looking at it from after the fact. That helps me prepare for the next day. And I like to show examples to show the strategy, because I think that when you see it real time with the chart, you can actually understand what the strategy is rather than me just talk about it with uh, fallacy. So we look at INDO, the penny stock day trade gap up short for 12/30/20. So this one was able to rise from a closing price of about 5 the previous day all the way to a high of almost 16 in the pre-market. Pulled back heavy, so you can identify there's a pretty good resistance in this range, 14 to 15. For myself, I didn't get any shares to short. By that, I mean when you're going to short a stock, meaning you want it to go down, a lot of the times on these penny stocks, you have to borrow shares, which has a commission to it. And with the commission being $1.5 per share, every 100 shares is 150 bucks. So I didn't find that when I was even looking to enter maybe an 11 range, it was even remotely worth it. But the idea is that it's going to pull back and channel. So this is the first channel from this line at 1050 to 14 is the first channel, which is about a 40% channel, which is amazing. So your ideal entry is in this circle, maybe 2 candlesticks here, or we can add another ideal entry along this downtrend initially, which is pretty early, 8 a.m. to enter. But sometimes the pre-market is the best time to enter, because that's when you're getting in at the highest price when you're betting it to go down or predicting the stock based off the chart. And it found support here at 1050, channeled for another longer time. So the next channel, when it breaks this 1050, your ideal entry or target is 5, because there's no support. Support is like the floor of the stock. Resistance is the ceiling. So the ceiling's here, and then the floor was here. If this floor breaks, where is it going to next? $5 per share. But as a trader, it's tough to actually even predict it to go to $5 all in one day, because that would be a pretty substantial move. But a reasonable plan would be to enter around $13 and have a target price in between that second floor and the first floor, which was pretty much the average, is $8. I took that by taking 1050, 5, kind of adding it to around 16, divide by 2, $8 per share. As you noticed, that has hit. Even right now, it's at even 1720, 720. Now going back with the stop loss, this is the price that you'll take a loss depending if the stock goes against your ideal entry price, which is 15, which was pretty safe when looking at where we entered, because 15 was above the next ceiling, and so you're safe not getting it hit there. And throughout the day, the bears continued to win. I hope this strategy provide insight on something that you can put into effect this next year, because I sure have found plenty of examples, and time after time I'm trying to trade this common strategy because of how big a percent change it is. And this is what it looks like on the 1 year, 1 day chart, where there is a gap to fill below when the stock opens here and downtrends from there, and it always ends up being this big red candle, as we have seen with some of the previous videos.